Hi, I'm Michael from Windstream Fanatics, and in this episode, we're going to talk about adding blacklight strips to underneath our Halloween layout. Stay tuned.
About
So here we are, we have our Halloween layout all set up. And if you notice, the top part, I actually have it for ease of storing it away. I have it split into two. So this is technically two separate elevated pieces that are brought together with a vice grip and other ways and other things to keep it tight. And so right now we have two separate boards that are on here. So what's great about this strip here that I have, this blacklight strip, is that in it, one is that it's powered. You can hook it up to a 110 outlet, and it has a toggle switch onto it right about here. This way I can turn that light on and off whenever I want. I picked this particular one here, this combo here, is because it comes with two spools of blacklight adhesive strips, and they're cuttable. I can put them just to the length that I need, put them on, stick them through adhesive, and then whenever I'm done, whenever I no longer want it, I can just cut it and it can keep going, which is great. And I got two of them because both of them can be separated from this Y. So in this Y junction, this is going to connect to the power outlet, and these two connect to the two separate strips. Now, I can do one strip on one and one on the other. This way, when I disassemble this at the end of Christmas, I can easily just put them away and not have to worry about it messing up with the lighting, because each one is going to adhere to the two separate sections of the top platform. The purpose of doing this is so that when we run our train that's decorated in Halloween, some have the glow in the dark or even fluorescent paint on it, it's going to glow as soon as it comes right underneath this part of our layout. Now, you might sit there and say, why am I doing this now? Why am I adding this after all of this is already on here? That's a very good question. One of the things that I highly recommend is that when you're ready to do a project, then you buy all the stuff that you need. I had bought these about 2 years ago when I was doing a holiday layout, and I never got around to putting it in, and now I misplaced them. So I had to order a whole new set. They just came in yesterday. This was already set up so that my beautiful daughter Mackenzie and my wife Jennifer can enjoy it during the holiday season. And so make it a little bit more difficult, but that's fine because it'll work out nice once I have everything loaded. So again, I'm going to take these two, take off the adhesive, and put one strip under each on each side. Stay tuned for the final result. And now this is the final product with the lights fully installed underneath the elevated platform. And if you notice, as the train cars go through, you'll see how they light up and react to the UV light. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like and ring that train bell. This way you get notified every time we upload another video. Happy Halloween!